Hello students, I am Asha. Welcome to Namit coaching classes. Today I want to tell you some tips about speaking English. Many of us find difficulty in conversation. So what are the tips of speaking? For speaking we have to follow 4 steps. Speaking skill. I just want to tell you have to do practice. If you are born in an environment where you find directly without translation method, then you can easily speak in English. But if you are living in India, especially where there are non-English people, Hindi speaking people, there you find a lot of difficulty in speaking English properly. So what you have to do, you have to follow 4 steps of English learning. First is listening. Second, second is speaking. Third is reading. Fourth is writing. So these two, I want to tell you about these two, how these two terms are connected with each other, because without this you can't speak. If you are able to listen properly what your ear is gasping, then only you can reply. Otherwise you can never reply what is said to you. So what I want to tell you, if you want to speak English, make it a habit that you have to speak English directly. What you are listening, first you have to do practice of listening news, English song. If you are in habit of listening, then you easily try to understand, and what will be in your mind, then only you can try to answer that. It's a phenomena ki what we listen, we want to give the reply of that thing. So I want to tell you, make practice, make habit to listen English news, English song, watch English movies. If you are in a habit of listening properly, then only you can reply to the questions that is asked to you in English. And in today's life, basically we have, from where we have to follow how we can improve our speaking skill. From the very basic point we have to start, we have to follow the vocabulary session. First we, in our environment, you have to learn 10 or 20 words each day to improve your English. When you have vocabulary, only then you can try to speak. If you have no words, then how can you speak English? So I want to tell you students, most of the students wants that they must improve English within 2 or 3 days, but is impossible. Make it a habit, and day by day you can improve. And one thing, in our environment we use translation method, and for this, if you have the knowledge of tense, then I want to tell you that present tense, indefinite tense is always used to introduce yourself. Hamesha we give introduction in English, then we use present indefinite tense. So I just only want to tell you students, if you want to speak English, remove your shyness, remove your hesitation, always feel good with speaking English, then only you can improve your English. But you have to start from the beginning, from somewhere you have to start without any hesitation, only then you can improve your English. If you want practice session online, then please comment in comment box, we can meet online for the speaking course. So if you like my video, please I request you share and subscribe my channel, and like also, and comment if you want to say anything about me and my teaching. Thank you students, have a nice day, we will meet you soon.